Hi, welcome to Glow's Kindred Kitchen, and I'm Glow. I'm so glad you joined us today, and I want to thank everybody that's subscribed to our channel, and welcome to all you new people. We really appreciate it. Today I wanted to share a recipe with you that I have made through the years, and I call it Blueberry Delight. It's very easy, it's refreshing, and it's great for the summertime, actually even the holidays, any time of year. Everybody seems to really enjoy it. So let's go ahead and get started. This recipe is super easy, and it's usually things you have on hand. It starts with Jello. I use Grape Jello. If I make this into a 9x13 pan, I use Grape Jello and Orange Jello together. But you can do it with, use what you have on hand is what I'm saying. You don't have to be, particular about it. You can change it up quite easily. It has the Grape Jello, and then it has blueberry pie filling, crushed pineapple, including the juice, and mandarin oranges. So since I'm just doing this in an 8x8 pan, I'm having the regular recipe that I have used when our children were home. So for the other remaining half of everything, I just put it in canning jars. And then I'll put it in my refrigerator if I know I'm going to be using it soon, or I can freeze it. I have one of those, it's a sealer that you can seal, bags with, as well as jars. There's an attachment, and it works out real well. So the main thing is you got to leave at least an inch of headspace when you're using glass, so that, when it freezes, it'll expand and you don't want to break your jars. So that's what's inside the Jello itself. And then for the topping, after it gels up, you use cream cheese, sour cream, and I'm using the third less fat cream cheese, and a little sugar and a little vanilla. So let's go ahead and put the Jello part together, and then this is going to have to, gel up for the afternoon in the refrigerator. And then this evening, we're going to put on the topping. You can use this as a salad, or you can use it as a dessert. Tonight we're going to be kind of using it as both. I'm going to be doing a chicken dish, and this will be kind of like the salad on the side, and it'll be like a dessert as well. So anyway, I have 1 cup of boiling water. I'm going to put that in here with the Jello. And what you want to do is just blend this together so it's all dissolved. So I'm going to dissolve this for just about a minute, and I'll be back, and then we're going to go on to the next step. Well, I got the Jello all dissolved in that 1 cup of water, and now we're ready to go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients. So here I have a half a can of the blueberry pie filling. So I'm going to go ahead and just put that in. This is definitely something, if you're not a real careful cook, you might want to wear an apron, because I don't think you'd want this on your clothes.
So in other words, go slow.
Well, or wear an apron. Because this, I have a feeling, would stain.
Yes, it would.
Okay. So then the next thing we have here is the half a can of the crushed pineapple with some of the juice, as well as some mandarin oranges. Just go ahead and pour that all out. All right, and then all you do is just stir this up. See how easy this is to put together?
Yes. Pretty easy.
There we go. So when I make Jello like this, and I try to think of a dish that I have that has a top on it, so I don't have to use saran wrap or foil. So I have this one. So I'm just going to put this on. Now you can put this in your freezer if you wanted to make sure this gelled up quicker. And I do that quite often. But today I'm just going to be putting it in the refrigerator because it's a little bit before noon and I don't need this until dinner time. So anyway, I'll see you back about, 5, 6 o'clock, and we're going to do the topping together.
Sounds good, Miss Chloe.
Well, it's evening now, and we're going to get ready to do the topping for our Jello, the Blueberry Delight. I just wanted to show you this Jello, how nicely that's set up.
Looks good.
Yeah, it does. This is a delicious recipe, you guys, and easy. So what I have in here is 4 ounces of the light cream cheese. And I'm going to just kind of whip that a little. It's already kind of pre-softened, so it won't take long. Just get this down in here a little bit better. There we go. Now I'm going to add half a cup of sour cream. That's good enough. And a quarter of a cup of white sugar. That right in there. I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. Around to get all the stuff off the sides. There we go. And now the original recipe I had called for vanilla extract in it. For the full recipe, you'd put 1 teaspoon. For the half, it's just a half a teaspoon. But what I'm doing tonight is, since I put the mandarin oranges in it, I'm going to do like a quarter of a teaspoon. This is a half teaspoon measure, but I'm just going to do like half of that of the real vanilla. And then I'm going to do the same with orange extract. There we go. Can't see that very well because it's clear. But there we go.
True.
Oh, you can smell that though. Oh, that smells good. So I'm just going to kind of stir this in, whip it through a little bit. Sure, that's all there is to it. Unplug my beaters. Always unplug your beaters, or after you have, always unplug your mixer before you take out your beater.
Right.
Yeah, you don't want an accident. Okay, so it's fairly easy to put this all together, isn't it? Let me just
So
move
far,
this
so
over.
good.
I'm going to put the Jello here in front of me. Take this spatula, and we're just going to put this right on top. This dessert is so refreshing. Or a salad, whichever way you want to serve it. It's always a hit. There we go. And then I just take my offset spatula and spread it out. If you don't have an offset spatula, it is a great investment. Or ask for it for Christmas. That's what I did. And this was a great Christmas gift from our youngest son.
Or your birthday.
Yeah. see if we can. There we go. And then what I like to do is I like to go ahead and then just take fresh blueberries that I've rinsed, and I just kind of put them on top. I mean, you can make a pattern with it, whatever you want. I just kind
Make a face.
you could easily do that. I just kind of put them around sporadically. There we go. A couple more. So that's all there is to it. So I'll be back in a moment. We're going to taste test this together.
Sounds good, Miss Glow.
Well, now it's time to taste test this. I just wanted to show you. I have not let the topping set up in the refrigerator yet, but so it kind of spreads. Once you put that in the refrigerator, though, I was going to show you here too. See how it kind of spreads out?
Right.
If you put this in the refrigerator for even a half hour, it's going to set up much better, and so you're going to get better pieces of it, if you know what I'm saying. It sets up good, but it's
Easier
still
to cut
delicious
out,
this
too.
way.
Easier to cut out.
Yep. So you can see the the Jello there, that grape Jello.
Yep.
Mm.
As long as it tastes good.
This is absolutely delicious. So you guys, I can taste the pineapple.
Let me see it.
I'm sorry.
Oh, okay.
I'm
Yep.
just going to look to see if I have a mandarin orange in here. In this piece. I don't think so. Mmm. The pineapple pairs so well with this. And I can taste the orange in the topping. I could eat this whole piece right now.
Slow down.
Mmm. This is a winner. Every time I made this, I think people are going to ask for the recipe. So I always have that recipe ready to hand out to people if they would like it. And I want to thank you for joining us today. I hope you've enjoyed this. And if you have, and you have not subscribed to our channel yet, we would really appreciate it if you would. Give me a like, a thumbs up, a comment, and I hope you guys have a great day. And thanks for joining us. We'll talk to you later. Bye.
Bye, Miss Glow.